morning students. My name is Riteja, IIT Chemistry faculty. Our lesson name is Atomic Structure. Last class we discussed about geometrical representation of 10 atoms. Okay. Now we will see geometrical representation of remaining 10 elements. Okay. Our lesson name is Atomic Structure. Geometrical representation is also known as dot structure. For example, in exam they will ask, draw the dot structure of helium. I said already geometrical representation. Geometrical representation or dot structure, both are same. Today we will see the geometrical representation of 11th element, that is sodium. Side by side we will see electronic configuration also. Okay. Now again I will explain what is meant by electronic configuration. The distribution of electrons in various orbits is called electronic configuration. The distribution of electrons in the various orbits of an atom is called electronic configuration. Actually inside the atom we are having so many orbits, but based on the atomic number we can say the electrons. Okay. Now we will see the 11th element. Okay. 11th element is sodium. Atomic number 11. So atomic number 11 means electrons also 11. Okay. Sodium Latin name is natrium. Sodium symbol is Na. Okay. This is the center of the atom, nucleus. Now I will draw first orbit. First orbit capacity how many according to Bohr-Barry rule? Maximum 2 electrons. So draw, now keep 2 dots anywhere on the first orbit. 1, 2. So first orbit capacity over maximum. Now we will go to second orbit. Now we will go to the second orbit. Second orbit capacity how much? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Okay. 2 plus 8, 10. But here how many electrons are there? 11 electrons are there. Understand? Here 11 electrons are there. So 10 electrons over out of 11. Remaining I need to draw one more orbit for one more electron. Here Y means again I am saying first orbit capacity maximum 2 electrons. So in first orbit we can keep less than 2 or equal to 2, but not more than 2. At that time we need to go to the, if more than 2 electrons are there means we need to go to the second orbit. Second orbit capacity 8 electrons. It means maximum 8 electrons or less than 8 electrons. Okay, but not more than 8. More than 8 electrons is exist means we need to go to the third orbit. Third orbit capacity how much amma? 18? Yes, 18. So maximum 18 or less than 18. So sodium electronic configuration. Now we will write. First orbit how many are there electrons? 1, 2. So electronic configuration is equal to 2, comma. Second orbit how many electrons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8. Now third orbit how many electrons are there? Only 1. 1. So electronic configuration of sodium is 2, 8, 1. Now we will see the next element, magnesium. Magnesium atomic number 12. So electrons also 12. Atomic number is always equal to number of electrons inside the neutral atom. Understand? Without knowing atomic numbers we cannot know how many electrons. So atomic numbers are very very important for your standard read from elements from 1 to 30. Okay, So atomic number 12. So electrons also 12. First orbit I will take. Center of the atom, this one, nucleus. First orbit capacity maximum 2. 2. So second orbit capacity maximum 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 plus 8, 10. Out of 12 electrons, here I placed 10 electrons. Remaining how many are there? 2 are there. So the 2 electrons we need to keep in the third orbit. Why means second orbit already filled. Okay? 1, 2. So first orbit 2 electrons, second orbit 8 electrons, and third orbit 2 electrons. Third orbit 2 electrons. This is the electronic configuration of magnesium. 2, 8, 2. Now if you see aluminium, same process. Aluminium symbol Al. Aluminium atomic number 13. So electrons also 13. Based on the same these rules, we will get electronic configuration here is 2, 8, 3. 2, 8, 3. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. So equal. Now you will see silicon, same process. Silicon atomic number 14. Electrons also 14. So electronic configuration. Simply here 3 is there, no increase one number. 2, 8, 4. 2, 8, 4. So now we will see 15th one. 15th one what amma? Phosphorus. Phosphorus. Before saying about phosphorus, I need to say some importance about phosphorus. Actually, in some countries, not only some country, in our country also, some days before, not some years before, they banned the phosphorus. But it is some more danger, but not that much of danger. But phosphorus is very, very useful for our bones formation and development. Phosphorus. Because of this reason only, so many countries, especially in cola drinks, they added phosphorus. Phosphorus is very useful for the bones formation and bones development. Okay? Phosphorus is very useful. Okay? But it is useful for in limited quantity. Okay, amma? Phosphorus symbol P. Atomic number 15. So electrons how many? 15. Electron configuration same like this only. For silicon 2, 8, 4. For phosphorus increase one number. 2, 8, 5. Phosphorus electron configuration 2, 8, 5. It means 2 electrons in the first orbit, 8 electrons in the second orbit, and 5 electrons in the third orbit. In exam they will ask how many electrons are present in the third orbit of phosphorus atom. How many are there? 5. So answer is 5 electrons. Now we will see remaining 5 elements. Here practice is more important. If you do 3 or 4 elements practice, remaining you can do your own. Very, very easy. Okay, amma? Sixteenth one, sulfur. Sixteenth element is sulfur, 17th chlorine, 18th argon, 19th potassium, 20 calcium. Same like phosphorus. Sulfur electronic configuration is 2, 8, 6. Now coming to the chlorine. Chlorine is 2, 8, 7. Argon electron configuration increase one more. 2, 8, 8. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. So these three. So 2, 8, 6 is the electron configuration of sulfur. 2, 8, 7 is the electron configuration of chlorine. 2, 8, 8 is the electronic configuration of the argon. It means 2 electrons in the first orbit, 8 electrons in the second orbit, 8 electrons in the third orbit. So if anyone asks question, how many electrons are present in the M shell of chlorine atom? First shell name K, second shell name L, third shell name M. So how many electrons are present in the M shell? 7. So answer is 7. First shell name K shell, second shell name L shell, third shell name M shell, like that, so on. Now we will see the potassium. For potassium and calcium, this electronic configuration will change. Remember in the mind, how I will say. Potassium symbol capital K, potassium Latin name Kalium. Potassium symbol K, Latin name is Kalium. See, atomic number 19. So electrons also 19. This is the center point of the atom, nucleus. Draw first orbit. First orbit capacity 2 electrons. So out of 19 electrons, I kept 2 electrons. Remaining how many? Remaining how many? Okay. Out of 19 electrons, I kept 2 electrons. Remaining are 17 electrons. Now draw second orbit. Now draw second orbit. Second orbit capacity 8 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 plus 8, 10. So out of 19 electrons, 10 electrons I filled. Now go to the third orbit. Third orbit capacity how much? 18 electrons. Out of 19 electrons, I placed 10 electrons. Remaining how many? 9 electrons. Third orbit capacity 18 electrons. So 9 electrons can I keep here? Yes, I can keep here. But according to the octet rule, if 8 electrons are there in the last shell or less than 8 electrons, that is stable. If last shell having 8 electrons, that is stable. So we cannot exceed. For example, if I take fourth orbit, if I take third orbit, according to the old rule, if I write, this answer will come 2, 8, 9. But this is wrong. This is the last shell, no? Last shell cannot be more than 8. Understand? So it must be equal to 8 or less than 8. So how to write this one means 2, 8, here 9 is there, no? Write 9 as 8, 1, 8, 1. This is the electronic configuration of potassium. 2, 8, 1. It means third shell, I will write only 8 electrons. Again I will take fourth orbit. In that fourth orbit I will write 1 electron. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. last or fourth orbit 1. First orbit 2 electrons, right. Second orbit 8 electrons, right. Third orbit 8 electrons, right. Fourth orbit 1 electron, right. The main thing amma, last shell containing electrons must be equal to 8 or less than 8. If it exceeds 8, compulsory you need to go to the another orbit because of the octet rule. Now I will say next element calcium. With that you will understand. Okay, number don't confuse. Do 2 or 3 times practice. It will be very easy. Okay. Last one, calcium, symbol Ca, capital C, small a. Always for 2 letter symbols or 1 letter symbols. First letter should be capital, second letter should be small. Calcium atomic number 20, so electrons also 20. Now I want to write the geometrical representation. Okay, center of the atom nucleus. First orbit capacity 2 electrons, so draw 2 dots. Second orbit capacity 8 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Over. So out of 20 electrons I kept here 10 electrons. Now we will go to the third orbit. Third orbit capacity how much? 18 electrons. Here I want to keep the 10 dots. If I keep 10 dots, I will get electron configuration 2, 8, 10. 2, 8, 10. 10 is the last shell electrons, no? Here, last shell I said already, it should be equal to 8 or less than 8. But it does not exceed the 8. At that time, you want to split. You want to take the another orbit. According to the which rule, amma? Octet rule. Then only it will be stable. 1, here I will write 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First orbit 2 electrons, 2. Second orbit 8, 2 plus 8, 10. Third orbit 8. What, how many? 8, 10 plus 8, 18. Now I will take fourth orbit. Remaining how many are there? 2 are there. So write here 2. 1. So electronic configuration is first orbit 2, second orbit 8, third orbit 8, fourth orbit 2, fourth orbit 2. If I write by using old method, I will get here for this answer is 2, 8, 10 I will get. But last shell cannot exceed than 8. That is why this 10 I will write as 8, 2. 8, 2. So here I got 4 shell. K shell 2 electrons, L shell 8 electrons, M shell 8 electrons, and last N shell 2 electrons. So electronic configuration of calcium is 2, 8, 2. From potassium to remaining elements, this method will be followed because before potassium, last shell electrons all are having less than 8 or equal to 8 but not more than 8. Understand? Thank you very much. Have a nice day.